Bullish Spell token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market investigators accept Spell could reach $0 2025. Bearish Spell token market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Spell token presentation. Spell token is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Essentially, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up guarantee in return for its stablecoin, $MIM. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like OFF since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $XSushi and different bend curve tokens as guarantee. Abracadabra likewise offers yield-cultivating amazing open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier tokens to cultivate Spell token. The undertaking was established by Daniel Sesta, who is likewise answerable for Popsicle Money and Wonderland, both on the torrential slide chain. Close by him are 0x Merlin and Squirrel, prime supporters of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and altogether distinguish themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. Notwithstanding the peculiar name, Abracadabra's prosperity justifies itself with real evidence. Last year, it produced a normal of $2.2 million every week in charges and around $5 billion in TVL. What's more, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. The focal point of this video is to furnish you with a thorough value expectation of Spell token from 2022 to 2030. That's what to do. We will initially cover the parts of Abracadabra Cash and how every component meets up to offer some incentive to its clients. Then, at that point, we will likewise investigate the verifiable cost activity as well as the job of Spell token in the environment. Spell token coin outline. Spell token is the stage's local money in view of the Ethereum blockchain, however a lot higher in amount than MIM. These coins are really tracked down less ordinarily available for use. This is on the grounds that they are generally utilized as a type of administration token on Abracadabra's own foundation. Administration tokens give holders the choice to either cast a ballot themselves or representative their votes in regards to changes on the responsible stage's redesign. This basically implies they become a type of partner, and similarly likewise with ordinary stakeholding. The more capital they promise, the more prominent their say in proposed changes to that stage's configuration. Spell tokens additionally permit their holders a choice to procure recurring, automated revenue by marking the genuine tokens themselves too. Spell patrons are given MIM in return for their contributed tokens, which can likewise be utilized themselves. Spell benefactors additionally procure intermittently from exchanging charges made on Abracadabra's foundation when they stake Spell. As referenced in the tokenomics, these profit are dispersed through S-Spell. In the event that you lease liquidity from suppliers in return for Spell payoffs sufficiently long, there will probably come a day when those suppliers find better rewards somewhere else. At the point when that day shows up, Abracadabra's all-out esteem lock will wane. To tackle this, Abracadabra Cash collaborated with Olympus DAO to assume command over its liquidity. Convention-possessed liquidity, or POL, implies the profound liquidity it rents is under its extremely durable carefulness. POL permits conventions like Abracadabra to zero in on conveying better items without agonizing over its liquidity leaking endlessly. Spell token current cost. Spell token is at present worth $0. Spell has moved 0.77% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,866,331. Spell token is at present position 257 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $69,865,575 USD. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Spell token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Spell token value forecast 2022. Spell token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Spell cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. Spell is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Spell token value forecast 2023. In 2023, Spell token Spell cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Spell will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, We ought to hold on to check whether the SPEL's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SPEL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. SPEL token value forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. SPEL might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SPEL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. SPEL token value forecast 2025. In the event that SPEL token effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the SPEL coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SPEL will be green in 2025. The SPEL is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the SPEL cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, SPEL has a most extreme value worth of $0. SPEL token value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that SPEL figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help SPEL needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2028. While SPEL is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. SPEL token value expectation 2029. By 2029, SPEL token will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. SPEL token value forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme SPEL cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. What is the SPEL token cost today? Today, SPEL token is exchanging at $0, an all-out market capitalization of $69,865,575. Is SPEL token a wise speculation? SPEL token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is shrewd to say that SPEL is a decent decision of venture. The typical cost of SPEL token might perhaps reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that SPEL token might outperform $0. What amount will SPEL token be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising notoriety of